So, Daniel, this is Michael, who you've never actually seen, but he does exist. He's back from China.
And I'm actually in the U.S. on my boat.
Yeah.
I'm excited about that. Not just watching it from videos and shit.
Right. I got the reefing installed. It's a gorgeous day here. I don't think we're going to need it. There's just a beautiful mellow breeze blowing, and we've got the whole bay to ourselves. So, wish you were here. And this, my friends, is why small boats rule. Fancy a picnic? Or maybe a hike?
Small boat, big adventure.
Yeah, this is not so bad. It's October 5th. It's 80 degrees out. We've just beached the boat. 2 feet of water.